mechanically operated machine that raises the fluid pressure by reducing its volume is called a compressor. Working principle of a gas or air compressor can be easily understood. Basically, it works by changing the volume of the gas or air. It uses a piston or diffuser to increase the pressure of the working fluid. Compressor uses gas as a working fluid is called a gas compressor. However, if the compressor uses air as a working fluid is called air compressor. Types of compressors. Number 1. Positive displacement type. Reciprocating compressors. Iconic liquid piston compressors. Rotary screw compressors. Rotary vane compressors. Rolling piston compressors. Scroll compressors. Diaphragm compressors. Two. Dynamic type. Air bubble compressor. Centrifugal compressors. Diagonal or mixed flow compressors. Axial compressors. Open type compressors. Hermetic compressors. Semi-hermetic compressors.